My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, I'm going to be showing you how I package my soaps after I make them. And especially with melt and pour soap, and especially if you live somewhere where there's high humidity, it's very important to try and do this like as soon as you can, because if not, the humidity will like draw out the oils and it will start to form kind of like a dew on it. So, but yeah, I just made this soap. How adorable is it? So, okay, what I am using these shrink wrap bags. These are 6 by 6 inches, and I got them on Amazon. I think I got like 200 for like 10 or 11 bucks. So, I'm going to take my soap and I'm going to put it in here and get it over to like the furthest corner. Okay. So now this is an impulse or heat sealer or something like that. I also got this on Amazon. I think it was like $28. I thought I could go without it, and I was just wrapping the soaps in these shrink wrap and then, you know, using the heat to shrink wrap them, but it wasn't, there was no like seal, and so it wasn't airtight, so air was still able to get into the packaging. So yeah, unfortunately I had to get this. So I'm just gonna put it in, and I have it set to like 7 seconds, I think. And then so it forms the seal there. And then I'm going to go on the other side. What did I do? And once it heats up, it comes off a lot easier, as you can see. Now they have like a special like heat gun that, you know, people use, but girl, if you got a good blow dryer, that's all you need. That's what I've been using. So I just take it, I put my blow dryer on high, I go around the edges first, and then we'll see. I let it warm up some. can see that does like an amazing job at shrink wrapping it. So that is how I shrink wrap the soap, and then there are two different ways I make labels, so I will show you those as well. Ah, how adorable are these? Okay. Ooh, did I break them? I make my labels. So I buy some Avery labels on Amazon, and then you can go on their website here and they have a whole bunch of different templates. I don't want to show you right now because I won't be able to get back to where I am now, but yeah, they have like so many different designs you can choose from. So I'm just going to, I need some sugar cookie ones. I need, I think, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need some daisy chain. So then I will just and then I also need to add shea butter to the ingredients. Alright, so I'm going to just finish editing these, and then I will show you what they look like, and we'll print them and put them on the soaps. Alright, so I am ready to print them. I realized I ordered not the wrong labels, but a different kind than I usually order. I usually get like the glossy 2-inch round ones, and these are matte white. But you get 300 of these compared to 120 of the glossy ones for the same price. So we'll see how they turn out. I'm going to be labeling this soap right here. Here are some of the labels that I made with my Cricut. But yeah, we're going to use the Avery ones. So, this printer. Alright, let's see what it looks like. So, here is what it looks like. I think I prefer the glossy ones, even though they're like a lot more expensive, but these will work for now. I mean, they're fine. I guess it really doesn't make that much of a difference. Okay, so that's how I package and label my soaps. Now I will take pictures of them and put them up on my Etsy shop. I hope this was helpful, or at least entertaining. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.